In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a pivot table into a regular table in Excel. Sometimes you start with a pivot table to quickly summarize your data, but later you realize you just need a simple, static table that you can format, edit, or use in formulas without worrying about the pivot features. That's exactly what we're going to do here. First, open your Excel file and make sure you can see the pivot table you want to convert. Click anywhere inside that pivot table. This is important because Excel only shows the special pivot table tools when your cursor is actually inside the pivot area. Once you click it, you should see extra options appear in the ribbon at the top, usually under something like Pivot Table Analyze and Design. Before we convert anything, take a quick moment to confirm that the pivot table looks exactly the way you want. Check your row and column labels, filters, and any totals or subtotals. After we convert it, the result will be a normal range of cells, so it won't automatically update if your source data changes. If you think you'll need the pivot table again later, it's a good idea to make a copy on another sheet first, so you still have a live version. Now, with a cell still selected inside the pivot table, we're going to turn it into regular data. The most reliable way to do this is to copy and paste the values. Press the shortcut to copy, or right-click inside the pivot table and choose Copy. You should see a moving dashed border around the table, which means it's ready to paste. Next, choose where you want your regular table to go. This can be on the same worksheet or on a different one. Click in the top left cell where you want the new table to start. Now we'll paste only the values, not the pivot structure. Right-click that cell, go to Paste Options, and choose Values. Depending on your version of Excel, this might show as an icon that looks like a clipboard with numbers. Once you click that, Excel places a static copy of the pivot table data into your selected area. You can check that it's now a regular range by clicking any cell in the new table. The pivot table tools should no longer appear in the ribbon, and you should be able to edit cells directly, delete rows, and add formulas without affecting any pivot layout. From here, you can format this range as an official Excel table if you want. Just select your new data, go to the Home tab, choose Format as Table, pick a style, and confirm your headers. You now have a regular Excel table that started from a pivot table, but behaves like normal data you can work with freely.